as you can see, there is construction work is going on next to my home, and they make really lot of noise. And you can see today's weather is very pleasant, cold air is blowing, and and I'm feeling cold. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. After 4 days I'm going to share another interesting story, so please stay connected until it ends. So without further delay, let's start. Long time ago, in a forest, there used to be two monkeys. Their names were Golu and Bholu. They always used to feel that they are intelligent animal in the forest, and they never talk to softly with another animal. And according to their nature, one day they were walking in the forest. Then they saw a well. They peeped inside that well and saw a crocodile. Crocodile, crocodile was crying for help from inside the well. Then they decided to show their intelligence. You know how? Let's see. They started arguing with each other that who will bring that crocodile from the well. And they were discussing. When they were discussing about this, then an elephant came there and said, "Hey, why both are you fighting with each other? Why both are you arguing?" Then they said, Can't you see? A crocodile fell in the well, and we should help him. He is crying for help." Then elephant said, the crocodile has been thrown by animals. Because of this crocodile, all animals were worried because of his nature. He used to eat 2 to 3 animals daily, and we have thrown this crocodile in the forest. You both of them just go away from here. Don't try to help him. Then both monkey got angry on elephant, and he said, "You just go away from here. Can't you see? He's crying for help. He will die, and we should help him." And they didn't listen to elephant, and then elephant left away from there with sadness. But they were kept arguing that who will bring that crocodile from the well. And after some time they decided to help. And for help, they left away from there in different direction, and started thinking that how they will help. And after some time, Bholu saw a big piece of wood, and immediately anyhow he took that wood and bring near the well. And after some time, Golu brought a strong rope near the well. And again they started arguing that first who will help. Then suddenly a goat came there and said, "Hey, what both are you doing? Because of this crocodile, we all are in trouble, and this crocodile has created trouble in the forest. So we have thrown this crocodile inside the well. You should not help. Just go away from here." Then both monkeys got angry on goat, and went near the goat and gave her a tight slap. Then goat started crying and said, "Don't you know this crocodile has eaten my all children, and if it will come again, then if he will come again, then he will create trouble in the forest again. You both of them just go away from here, don't help him. Then they gave, then both monkeys gave her a tight slap, and then goat left away from there by crying, and they decided to help the goat. Then Golu then Golu threw that board inside the well, but with the help of that board, crocodile was unable to come out from the well, and 2 to 3 hours passed like this, but they were kept thinking that how they will help. Then Bolu said, look, now it's time to show my intelligence. Look, what will I do? And immediately he went inside the well with the help of rope, and he ties that rope. He ties crocodile with the help of rope, and came out from the well, and both monkeys started pulling the rope. So, and after a lot of effort, crocodile came out from the well, and now both monkeys again started arguing and fighting to each other. That Bolu said, I have brought crocodile from the well. Then Golu said, no, you didn't. I have brought this crocodile from the well. With the help of my rope, this crocodile has come from the well. And both of them kept arguing. Then suddenly crocodile came near to Golu and ate him. Golu got so afraid and started running, but crocodile kept running behind him. Then Bolu started crying, help me, help me. What are you doing, crocodile? We have helped to come out from the well, and you are trying to eat. You have eaten my friend, and you are trying to eat me. What are you doing? I think after living long in the well, you have lost your mind. What are you doing? Can't you see? Then he runs, and after some time he saw a guava tree. Immediately he climbed on the guava tree, and the guava tree full of fruits. And then Volu climbed on the guava tree, but crocodile was waiting under the tree. That when Volu will climb down from the guava tree, then he will eat him. Then he will eat him. But Volu was intelligent, and he saw, and he thought, okay, I will on the guava tree till 2 to 3 days. Till then he will get till then this crocodile left away from there. Otherwise he will kill me, he will eat me. And in this way 2 to 3 days passed. But crocodile was very bad. He pretended to be death, and he was not moving his body. Then monkey Bolu thought, I think this crocodile has died, and to check to find that he is died or not, he is dead or not, then he plucked a guava and threw on the he throws on the crocodile, but even then crocodile was not moving. And in this way, after some time he saw a parrot, and he said to parrot, parrot, go and check that crocodile is alive or not, or dead. Then parrot said, okay, I'll check. He went near the crocodile and find out that he is dead, because crocodile was intelligent and he was pretended to be dead and not moving his body. Then now it was confirmed that crocodile has died. Immediately, Volu climbed down, climbed down from the tree, and and going somewhere. Then suddenly, that the crocodile attacked on him, and attacked on him. Then to save his life, Volu runs and runs and runs, but but crocodile crocodile kept running towards him, and after some time he attacked on him and ate him. And now Volu died. So friends, in this way both monkeys lost their life. We can learn from this story, we should not show our intelligence everywhere, and we should listen to others, otherwise it will be not good for us. So friends, you can see I share another interesting story. I know even now I'm not good, but I don't know when will I improve. I'm just practicing. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.